I got you, boo. So the product is by Sublimation on Amazon. So it is a DTF powder and transfer film kit for sublimation. Keyword sublimation. I also have a coupon code for you. Make sure you are checking out my link in my bio. So this is a DTF hack. So it does come with the film and the powder. So just like sublimation, you are printing on the matte side. The film is a shiny side and matte side. Print on the matte side. The colors may look dull. That is okay, baby. Just for sublimation, the colors always dull. Do not mind that. Do not stress. As long as you print it on the right side. So after you are done, you have to sprinkle your powder directly on top of the design. So you need to sprinkle the powder on top of the matte side. I use gloves because I don't know, it's powder. I'm also using a box that they gave me that it came with because I'm not getting on out my kitchen, honey. That's not going in my food and my pots, baby. So we're gonna use the box that they came with. I got my gloves. So right now I'm making sure it's even throughout the whole entire thing. I want to make sure the whole image is covered. You also want to mirror your design. You're doing this just like sublimation. Please mirror your design. After you have the powder covered on everything of your design, you want to make sure you are putting this in your heat press to make sure it heat up. You are not pressing your garment right now. So I'm using my HTV Run Auto Heat Press because I'm able to actually slide it in without pressing my garment or the design. So I did do the temperature at 284 to heat up the powder for 3 to 4 minutes. After I was done, I took the design and put it directly onto the garment. I used a 100% cotton shirt and I pressed that for 302 for 10 to 15 seconds. Now look at the colors, baby. It's popping. This is 100% cotton. The colors are beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm going to try this again.